Hey there! If you're running a photography business out of your DMs and a shoebox of receipts, this puts the whole thing in one spreadsheet: leads, shoots, deposits, galleries, and tax. Let me show you how it fits together. Setup holds your business details and your pricing, including your mileage rate. Fill this in once and it feeds the rest of the workbook. The client pipeline is your CRM. Every inquiry with its lead source, shoot type, the date they got in touch, what stage they're at, what you quoted, and when to follow up. So nothing dies in the inbox. The session calendar is your booked work: date, time, client, shoot type, location, package price, deposit paid, balance due, and whether the contract is signed. Income and expenses is the ledger. Every payment in with the client and type, every cost out, all categorized. Gallery and delivery tracks the part clients actually judge you on. Editing status, whether the gallery has been sent, image count, print orders, the delivery due date, and whether you've delivered. The tax summary pulls your total business income and groups your deductible expenses by category: gear, software, props. Then totals your deductions. And the dashboard is the answer tab: total revenue, total expenses, net profit, outstanding balances, sessions booked, leads in the pipeline, and progress against your monthly goal. That's the photography client and session tracker. Excel and Google Sheets, and the link is below.